Good afternoon, men. Today we have a different situation. We're at a floodplain. FEMA dictates how high up in the air you have to be in a floodplain. We're going to use the frog to fill those cores. I can't get a cement truck around the site. Everything's too crowded. I got the river over there. I checked into a pump truck. A pump truck was $750. Well, can you imagine how many frogs I can buy if I save $750 every time I do a pour like this, and plus the manpower that I save? And this is another application where the frog pays for itself. You save labor, you save time, and quite honestly, there's more jobs you can do.